What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. I figure we'd do a quick update video letting you know that my fan holders are actually sold out. So the first batch we did sold out completely. So thank you to everybody who jumped on board with these. And again, I made a test batch. We made a decent amount of these and they're all gone. But don't fret if you want one or you don't even know what this is, you're interested. This is my brushless Silverado fan holder, and it's a kit that I make and I sell and distribute through warperformance.com, and it's everything you need to stick a, like, it's 2015 to 2018 Chevy Silverado fan into your hot rod. It's a universal application. It's got 4 tabs, and then you make a shroud of at least a ½ inch amount. Anyways, thank you to everybody. But if you want one, please go order one, and we are doing pre-orders for the next batch. And what I'm trying to do with that is I would like to order more fans this go around, because I'd like to fulfill whatever pre-orders we have and then put some stock on the shelf so we don't keep running out and just ordering these little small batches. Because again, I sit and make all these right here, and I'd rather take a bunch of time and make a bunch and they have them on the shelf than have some busy work onesie twosie items. So thank you for that. I will do an install video as soon as I have time. So if you have questions, say you get ahead of me and you beat me to that, I can answer the questions on pulse width and settings and send you pictures. And then also we have other friends of the channel. My buddy Anthony Harville, big shout out to Adjustable Hammer Racing. I'll put a picture of the video up here. He was one of the early adopter guys, and he was on board since day one. So we sent him one fairly early, and he was able to slam it. As soon as he got it, he slammed it in his car, and he did his own back-to-back testing. I didn't ask any of that. And again, anybody you see on any of the other channels, YouTube, wherever you see these, I didn't ask anything of anybody. We helped a few people, friends of the channel. We sent them fan holders and whatnot for them to try and use and do what they will with. If they like them, they're going to say they like them. If they don't, hopefully they say that too. But I gave them the same kits everybody else gets, and only a handful of people actually got them. Everybody else was on board, and they bought these things and got into it. So I'm hoping those will start popping up and you guys will see how those work, and I'm excited to hear all the feedback on it as well. But I know the fan is a beast. I think this thing is cool. I would already have one in my own vehicle if I had a vehicle, which is a good segue into where's the Maliboom and what are you doing? Why do you keep making talking head videos? Well, today is Labor Day, so you're watching this the day after I shot it. You can probably hear the crickets screaming because it's actually nighttime. I've been super busy doing stuff because we have a family vacation coming up. I couldn't mention because it was a surprise for my son, who is turning 9 years old. We will be gone all next week for his birthday. We're going on a cruise, a family cruise, and I'm super excited, but I haven't been able to say much because obviously you can't ruin the surprise. But the cat is out of the bag because he's going to have the homework and the whole deal, and we are doing that. But with that being said, the Maliboom is at my buddy's shop, and he finally put it in place to work on it, of course, a handful of days before I actually leave. So I'm not going to make videos or anything this week on that. I'm going to go gangbusters and strip all the stuff off, and he wants it just bare frame. And then I think in the next, hopefully at least 2 days or so, we're going to get that frame cut off, I hope. And then I'm just going to go, good luck, do a great job, and then I'll see you when we get back. So what we'll do as soon as I get back, we'll go see what kind of work he's done. But we went over a bunch of different things. He's done some other cars. He's done front clips and things. So I trust him and his judgment. And let's be honest, there's not a ton of crazy stuff you can do with it, right? Because it's a tube front end, and we gave him all the geometry from the Mustang. So I'll let him work his magic. It's probably better that I'm out of his hair anyway. So I have to get ready for my trip. Like I said, we'll be gone for an entire week. I will not have cell service or anything. We're going out of country on a cruise that I paid for a long time. So we're really excited. Maybe I'll share some pictures of stuff you guys are wondering when we get back. But I think it's Caribbean. We're going down to the Caribbean with the boy and the wife. So, and then some other friends. So that is that. Quick update. I want to say the fans sold out. I want to say thank you to everybody. If you get stickers and stuff, I'll pick that back up when we get back. So please don't order any stickers because I won't be here to send anything out. But we'll start harping on that again. And finally, tomorrow I start progress moving forward on the Maliboom and clipping that thing. So we are waiting our turn in line patiently. Our time is up. I gave due deposit. we're going to get down on that, and I'm hoping he knocks out a lot of the meat potatoes while I'm gone, to tell you the truth. So I can just come back from my vacation with the tan and hopefully a tubed out front end on a car that we can kind of take from there and finish up or whatever. So I'm not anticipating the car to be there forever because he has other work to do and stuff doesn't sit around. He's not one of those shops where things grow legs and weeds, and hopefully we get that thing knocked out. But I'm excited. Thank you guys all. Thank you everybody that ordered. You can order these. If you don't get stickers, wait till I get back because I physically send the stickers to everybody. So if you want to do the stickers for donation, I still have a bunch of those. We can get that done. But War Performance is distributing these, and we need the orders to come in so we can obviously get the pre-order going so I can order the next batch of fan kits so we can sit, weld them up, and send them out to a bunch of new people to get your cars taken care of. So thank you all. I wanted to fill you guys in, let you know I wasn't going to be around, and hopefully we have some fun. And as soon as we get back, first thing we'll do is we'll fire up that camera. We're going to go take a look at the Maliboom and see how much closer we are. I'm chomping at the bit, man. I can't wait to see progress on that car, and I'm super excited. Until next time, you guys know what to do. I'm out.